So what happens is all the dramas are converted to zeros, and all the comedies are converted to 1, all the war category can be converted to 2, thriller can be converted to 3, and things like that. If it is one hot encoding, each and every category will become a new column by itself, right? Drama, comedy, war, and thriller will be 4 headings in our source dataset. And what happens is that new data columns will be created based on the category. Hello, welcome to this episode. In the previous episodes, we have dealt with some of the cleaning methods like handling the null values, basic cleaning, data type conversion, calculated fields. We also checked how to do the scaling using min-max scaler. In this episode, we'll understand what is encoding and why it is used. Okay, so what is encoding? Before understanding what is that, let us go back to our good old dataset of IMDb movie rating dataset. This is what we've been using from a couple of episodes, and here there are some of the non-numerical data columns like name, genre, director, and actors. We have already dealt with some of the numerical datasets like year, duration, rating, votes. We also created a new column called score. But let us see how to deal with these non-numerical datasets. So some of the non-numerical datasets are categorical, and we can do the encoding for these categorical datasets. Why? Because processors can understand only the numbers, it cannot understand the texts. So how do we do that? So first of all, we will understand what is categorical and non-categorical. Name of the movie is non-categorical. That means every movie is different. There is no category about it. However, if you take a genre, for example, if it is a war movie, horror movie, comedy movie, thriller movie, drama, these are all the category. So that is why it is called as categorical. Director can be categorical if the number of directors in a particular dataset is limited. Actors, so many actors will be there, so I don't think that is categorical, right? So let us understand how these categorical data can be converted into numerical data. So we have a couple of options. One is label encoding, and we have something called as one hot encoding. So let's go back to our data set. These are all the movies and these are all the genres for respective movies. If like this, for example, if you are using the label encoding, output will be like this. So what happens is all the dramas are converted to zeros, and all the comedies are converted to 1, all the war category can be converted to 2, thriller can be converted to 3, and things like that. If it is one hot encoding, each and every category will become a new column by itself, right? Drama, comedy, war, and thriller will be 4 headings in our source dataset. And what happens is that new data columns will be created based on the category. For example, if it is drama, under drama we'll have 1 and all others will be 0. If it is comedy, under comedy we'll put 1 and all others will be 0. War, under war we'll be putting 1 and all others are 0. This is done for all the rows, and this is called as one hot encoding. In the next episode, we will understand how to do this practically in our notebook. Thank you for watching.